I forgot that it was called a relative formula mass. I checked again, and yes, it is called like that. Then, formulas of compounds. Empirical, find the ratio of the substances. For example, if you have 40.00% of carbon, 6.73% of hydrogen, and 53.27% of oxygen, you do amount divided by mole. So 40 divided by 1201 equals 3.3. Okay, check the values in the in the periodical table. Then you have 6.73 divided by 1.01, which is 6.6. And then you do 53.27 divided by 16, which gives you 3.3. And this gives us a ratio of 2 dots to 2 dots 1, because 3.3, 6.6, and 3.3. So the empirical formula becomes CH2O. 1 of C, 2 of H, and 1 of O. Molecular formulas. Sum of the relative atomic mass of the elements. For example, for CH2O, the molecular equation will be CH2O, and then the parenthesis 12.01 plus 1.01 plus 1.01 plus 16, which is equal to CH2O, Mr equals 30, parentheses. Then you have the structural formula, which is basically like the drawing-ish of the substance. Coefficient and molar ratio. The coefficient is the number before the reactant product. For example, in 2H and O3, 2 is the coefficient, and it gives information about the molar ratio. Ionic reactions. Normal reactions just with ionic compounds inside a liquid. Solutions. A solute is a solute, the dissolved substance, plus the solvent substance that dissolves, equals a solution expressed in mole space dm, decimeter cubed, like with the minus 3. Or ppm, standard solution, solution with known concentration. Concentration equals mole divided by volume. Liquids, density equals mass divided by volume.